Okay. Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Afiq Aiman. Okay, for the topic 1, computer crime and security. Okay, based on the 2025 statistic, the highest computer crime in Malaysia is telecommunication fraud. This has involved into phishing, where scammer use AI to mimic voice and deceive victims. Why is this harmful? It is devastating on 2 levels. Financially, reported loss have exceeded 2.5 billion ringgit Malaysia. Psychologically, it causes severe post-scam trauma for victims. To prevent this, I practice the stop, look, check strategy. I always verify bank account numbers on the PDRM website, which is Semak Mula, before making transfers. If I become a victim, the relevant authority is the National Scam Response Center, as we call as NSRC. I must dial 997 within 24 hours to freeze the funds. Thank you.